All right, this is a 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan, and we were having the issue where the passenger side would not blow cool air; it would only blow hot air, and so went to replace the actuator. And I'm going to show you what it is and what to do. I just finished replacing it, and now it's blowing nice cold air for us. But just so you know, this is the old one that I took out, and so you'll be able to see what it looks like. That's that side, and the other side. It's got two screws that hold it in, one right here and then one on one of the bottoms. I forget which one it is. There's actually two of these that I know of. There may be more, but there's one that you access through the glove compartment, and so you'll go through the glove compartment here, and then you have to pull this out. You do that by pulling this up, and then you have to push up on this middle part here and then squeeze these in, and then once you do that, that drops down, and then you actually have to get to the bottom screw in there, you actually have to drill out or cut out that bottom, unless you want to take the whole dash apart, which I did not, so I did that. The hardest screw is the one in the bottom right down there, and this screw will drop out right there. There's somebody else that has another video on that, so I'm not going to go into that, but that is the one that controls if it's not switching between your blowing to your face and the feet and all of those different areas. Now the one that controls the heat is actually up underneath, so you're going to go up underneath here. You're going to pull this down, okay, clip down, and then it's actually up underneath here, and I'm going to try to show you as best as I can. So whenever you go straight underneath, you're going to see that there's this one here. I unplugged both of those cords, and then the actual actuator is right up there. And so let's see if we can focus in a little bit. Yeah, lighting's not great, but the actuator is right up here, inside of here, and you're going to see a black thing underneath there. If you crawl underneath there, there is a screw down at the bottom, and there's a screw on top. You have to get both of those out to be able to take that off, and then there's a plug on top, and that's how you pull that one out. That's the one that actually controls your heating and your cooling. And there's a bunch of people that had questions about that, and that is the part that you need to do that. Again, that part is this guy right here. It's the same one for both of those, so don't be confused which one it is. And so that just slides, this little part slides in there. That's the thing that switches it from hot to cold. And then you're gonna have a couple of screws that's gonna hold it in there. It's gonna mount up like that. And so that's the screw that's hard to get to. This one right up here at the very top, it's hard to get to it. And so the way I ended up doing it, and just so you know, it is a T20 torque bit is what you're going to be looking at. This is the setup that I ended up going with, and it made it so much easier. And so I do have my I got a Milwaukee impact drill. You can use whatever type of drill. I was trying to go as small as I could. And then I've got one of these little 90-degree tools. This made things so much easier. I fought with it for a long time, then finally just went and grabbed this, and then yep, just a little T20 bit that's put in there, and that is the one that is going to grab those bits for you, and so the screws for you. So anyway, I hope that helps someone so you don't fight with it as much as I did and replace the wrong one before you replace the right one. So anyway, hope that helps someone.